So you've heard me mention affiliate marketing in so many previous videos, and I finally have taken the time to put together one video explaining what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started. So this is personally a side hustle that I have been trying out for years now, and it has become a nice little income for me aside from my businesses, from my YouTube revenue, from my sponsorships. This has allowed me to pay certain bills that I don't have to use from my other income. It's allowed me to save. It's allowed me to put towards business expenses that I need to pay for, and it's just a nice little top up. Sometimes I use it to get my nails done or any kind of treat for myself. So if you are looking for some extra income this year, definitely stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to get started. It is free, it is easy, and we're going to get to this money this year. So stay tuned and let's get straight to it. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing basically is a model for where you as a person are acting as a referrer. You know, back in the day you would have like the Avon people come round. I remember Avon people coming round to the house when I was a child, and these people are representatives of that company. But when someone buys from that person, they're taking a percentage. Say someone buys an Avon lipstick from me, they are paying £30 for example, and I get £10 out of that 30 and the 20 goes to Avon. So it can be different percentages. It all depends on who you are working for, but it's just a really great way for you to get paid just from referring someone to a business or a product, and especially when it's a product that you already love. For example, if you have a look in my description box down below, you will see I have a section of resources and businesses and products that I love using, and I have affiliate partnerships with those businesses. These are companies and products that I have used for years and loved, and then when I found out that they had affiliate programs, I was like, oh wow, I could have been getting paid by referring people to something that I personally use and love. So now that I do, that's amazing because I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, into this content, and I can be getting paid just from referring people to the business, to the product. So that is what affiliate marketing is. Now, the best way to get started is to join a affiliate program. Now, the easiest one and the one that I started with was Amazon Associates. So Amazon have their own affiliate program. Anyone can join, but I do think you would need to have some kind of social media platform, a YouTube channel or a blog, because they do, when you sign up, ask for your website. So I think if you're just like a normal person that's starting from scratch and you don't have any website, you may not get accepted. So I'm not 100% sure how it works, but definitely start up your socials or start up your website first. And then once you are joined with Amazon Associates, you can refer any product on Amazon. And if you think about it, they sell everything. So I even make a commission from hair products that I've mentioned in the past. I will put a link to the Amazon version of that product. Instead of sending them a link to the actual company's website, I can send them to Amazon and get paid from that sale. Sometimes the actual brand does have their own affiliate program, but sometimes they don't. And when they don't, I would usually refer them to Amazon just so I'm able to get paid from that sale. What I like about Amazon Associates is the fact that they keep a track on the person that has clicked on your affiliate link, and whatever they buy within a 30-day period on Amazon, you actually still get a percentage for that sale. So they don't have to actually buy the product you referred. They could buy anything within 30 days and you will still get a referral for that. Let's just say, for example, I referred a leave-in conditioner to one of my viewers and she clicks on that link, doesn't end up buying the hair conditioner, but then she ends up buying a new camera. I am going to get a small commission from that camera sale. So the commissions on Amazon are not the best, but I mean, every little helps. Extra £50, extra 100, and then eventually if you grow your audience really big, you could be making thousands, and people do make thousands from Amazon Associates alone. Other programs I would recommend are Awin. They have a lot of the main brands on there. So they've got like Canon, they've got the big fashion websites like Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo. If you are a fashion person or a beauty person, Alwyn is probably going to be a good one for you because they have partnerships with a lot of the big clothing brands. Another one is Impact, and I really like Impact. They have a lot of brands on there, and it's really great for people like content creators like me who talk about software and business and technology. They do have other types of brands on there, but they have some really good tech kind of based affiliate programs. So for me, I use my Shopify affiliate through them, my Canva, and also my Starling Bank one is through Impact, and I get money from whenever people actually sign up for a Shopify store, when they sign up for Canva Pro, or if they sign up for a Starling Business bank account. So that is for Impact. And then if there are any other brands that you love, they usually have direct affiliate programs. So I think I'm signed up for a few other businesses that have their own affiliate programs. So they may have a special deal with you. They may say, Shannon, if you refer someone to our business, we'll pay you £50 or we'll pay you £100. It's a good way for you to actually just get an extra income, an extra top up from any videos or any content that you already are creating. Next thing you want to do is come up with a content plan. So you've chosen your program that you're going to go with. You've chosen a niche that you're going to write about and create content about. Now it's time to really plan out that content. For example, if you are going to create a blog, which I would recommend because it is a good way for you to get seen on Google search, and it's quite passive in a way. You can upload it every now and again, but you are still going to be making money 24/7 while you're sleeping, because people are on the internet 24/7, and if they come across your article and then they click on the links in your article, you are going to get paid once they buy. So I would recommend putting together a content plan full of keywords. I'm going to show you an example of my one. I haven't yet started my blog, but I will be, so I definitely will take you along on the journey for that. I've already been researching different kind of topics that people are already searching for on Google, keywords that are already ranking high on YouTube, and also things that people are asking for in general on the internet and are interested in. So you'll also want to figure out what platform you're going to focus on. I wouldn't recommend to actually just do all of them at first because it can get quite overwhelming. I recommend that you choose one that you're going to go forth with and then build upon the rest. Personally, I think the blog would be a great one to do at first, as it's a good base for things, and then you could branch out to doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. It's totally up to you. I think YouTube works amazing for affiliate marketing, more than what Instagram and TikTok was doing for me, because I found that people didn't really click on the links on my Instagram and on my TikTok. On YouTube, people definitely do read more and then they click on the links via that way. Also with your blog, of course, people are going to click on those. So if I were to choose for you, I would say YouTube or a blog, but it's totally up to you and whatever works in your favor and whatever comes easier to you. So next you want to start creating. So if you need to take a whole month of content creating before you actually launch your business, definitely do that. You can use a whole month and you can plan out writing maybe 2 blog posts a week, and that gives you 8 blog posts for you to post throughout the rest of the month. So say you use the month of January to create your 8 blog posts. In February and March, you could have a blog post a week. So you're going to be consistent and you've already done your work ahead of time. Or if you want to, you could actually outsource the writing by going to a website like Upwork or Fiverr and paying someone to write the blog posts for you. So it's totally up to your budget and what works for you. I personally don't like to spend too much up front. If I was starting from scratch, I would just do the work myself, but it's totally up to you if you want to invest in someone else doing it for you. Now, to get sales with affiliate marketing, you really want to get good at your copywriting and how you actually review products and businesses. You want to be really honest with your audience. Don't just tell them everything is great about a product or a brand. Show them the negative if there is a negative, but put a positive twist on things, just so people actually believe in you and trust in you. I think with me, people have built up a lot of trust with me because 1, I've been doing this for years. 2, I was actually already referring these brands and these products before I even heard of the affiliate programs. So people already trust in my opinion. So it's all about building trust. But I do want to let you guys know that you are going to have to be consistent with this. When I first joined the Shopify program earlier this year, it did take me a few months to start making a good amount of income from the Shopify program. And then you will find that it begins to snowball. So you might make nothing in the first few months, and then you'll start to make a little bit more. You may go down a month, and then you're going to get to the point where it all starts adding up and all that content is being consumed and being clicked on, and you're getting more and more sales consistently for the rest of the year and the rest of the months to come. So I hope that was helpful. If you would like me to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, definitely let me know what you'd like to know down below and I'll do another video on it. I just want to let you guys know that, again, it's super easy for you guys to make money online. Anyone can do it. You really can do it from scratch, from zero. And if you aren't doing it, I just definitely think it's worth investing the time in doing it this year, because you never know where it's going to take you. And just having a nice little side income in a time like this, where times are quite hard financially, is going to really help you. So definitely let me know if you are going to try affiliate marketing. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.